Hello everybody, this is Cadence Toontown back at it with another tutorial video. Yes, so today I'm going to be showing you how to get the Xbox 360 Rocky and Bullwinkle game to your PC. Now you might notice, guys, this tutorial video is actually for users who don't have an Xbox 360, or in case if you want to play it on PC, or if you already have an Xbox 360. But if you have an Xbox 360 and you don't have the game that is delisted, then you might need to follow this tutorial. And if you have an Xbox 360 and have the game installed before delisting, you don't have to worry about this tutorial. But if you do not have an Xbox 360 in general, you're going to have to do this. So, my recommendations for this tutorial, you will need the Xbox 360 emulator called Xenia, and the copy of the file game that you might want to download from the internet. And if you have a controller like an X input or SDL, feel free to plug it in. But if you have like a PS3 PlayStation controller, you probably might need a controller driver just to show how easy it is to use X input and SDL. So, yeah. Okay, with this then, let's get this started. First of all, you're going to want to make sure that you are connected to the internet. Yes, the browser I'm using is Microsoft Edge. And then, so in order to get things off, you're going to need Xenia Manager. This is the tool that you're going to be using to get, like, an Xbox 360 emulator, which is easy. Make sure you have the link. You're going to want to go to the latest version, and you're going to download this zip file called xeniamanager.zip. So, you're going to want to open up. After you download the file, you're going to want to extract it to any folder of your choice. I extracted it right here on downloads. Be safe. So when you have it installed, you're going to want to click on xeniamanager.exe, and you're going to make sure that if this launches, then you're going to want to either choose Xenia Stable or Xenia Canary. For multiplayer, you need Xenia Netplay, just for multiplayer. So you're going to want to have that. And also the next thing, once you have done that, you're going to want to do some things. So if you download Xenia Stable or Xenia Canary or Xenia Netplay, you're going to go to this respective file, and you're going to change its config. As you can see, like Notepad++. And you're going to scroll down until you see Content, and you're going to change the license mask to 1, which is enabling the full version And then you're going to go to File and Save, or press the Control and S keys to save the config. And then, when you've done that, now it's time to get the game on. So, to do that, you simply need this website right here called romsfun.com. This is the only thing where you can download the game. So, let's see, you don't have to worry about that, because the comparison is that the actual Xbox 360 ISOs are bigger, because it has 6 gigabytes of storage, which isn't unsurprising for an Xbox 360 game. But for Xbox Live Arcade games, the download size is smaller. as you can see, this game has 127.93 megabytes. So this is the thing you're going to need for this. So today you're going to click on download now and then choose this and then click on this link. And then you will be able to get download it and once again extract it into any folder of your choice or the ROMs folder like that. Then what you need to do is you go back to Xenia Manager. You're going to want to click on Add Game. This is where you can get your game. So to do that, you're going to want to choose the folder, enter IDs, and you can see this file right over here, which is the ID for the game. So press that and click on Open, and it'll automatically add the game for you. Like this. So, what you need to do in order to get the full version is that you need to do some things. So, you're going to want to go to the Xenia settings and Xenia Canary or Xenia Stable, and you can see you can config anything you like graphics and all that stuff, Discord rich presence, license mask, storage settings, all that stuff. You're going to want to choose those, but the only profile you need is the game itself. So click on that. You're going to want to keep the audio settings at default. The display settings, full screen works best, so if you want to turn on full screen, you can. If not, then turn it off. Everything is all default here. Enable Discord rich presence for this game. Also, there's another thing in which you don't have to worry about editing this via Notepad. There is an option where you can change the license mask here. So, to do that, change it from no license to first license. If you want to show achievement notifications, turn those on. If not, then you leave it as it is. The input setting is at any, so we have like a SDL2 or X input or a keyboard or any other controller type. Then you're good. If you use SDL2, you're good. Same with the X input. And if you don't have any of those controllers, then plug in your controller, which is a wired and wireless controller. I'm using the PS3 controller, by the way. You choose Eddie. If you want to turn on, don't turn on, and what am I saying? And once it's done that, you're going to click on Save Changes. And then you're done. So, and here's an extra thing. If you want to create a desktop shortcut, click on this. And then you're good to go. But here's the thing. For you using a PS3 controller or any PlayStation controller, you're going to need a controller driver like DS for Windows or any other controller. So here's what you're going to do. So just in case, I have DSHID Mini. So like this, I have like the X64 version. So yeah, feel free to get those. I'm actually, and just in case if you're wondering, I'm using the PS3 controller. Your controller might be listed. So if you have a like PS3 controller, you can put that. Make sure you change the input model to X input. So that it works, and you're going to click on Apply Changes. Like this, and BTH PS3 might also work if you have a wireless controller. So, yeah. Once that's done, there's also another option that you might need to do. If you want to add this game to your Steam library, you can. So open up your Steam. You're going to want to open library. You're going to click on add a game and click on add a non-Steam game. So, and you're going to click on the thing, if it's showing up right here, called Rocky and Bullwinkle. You're going to click on that and click add selected programs. I already added that right here. Make sure it's all default. And very important, you will need to copy the targets from the desktop and paste it onto Steam. So to do that, you want to go to Properties, copy this, and then paste it to Steam right here. This is the launch options here. So you paste that to target right here, and then click on Close. And once you've done all that, you have your controller plugged in and all that, click on Play. And that's it. That's all you gotta do to get Rocky and Bullwinkle running on PC.